Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we are going to go over this vanity light. You guys, I got this from Home Depot and I got it for like 40 something dollars or something like that. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, this is a deal, or this still is a deal, because as I look at it on my phone, it is $46. I'm not lying to you guys. $46 for 4 lights. Hopefully y'all can see that. Okay, so let's get back into it. As I open it, one cone was in, and this is matte black, you guys. You know I love matte black. I love matte black. I love the bronze. I like bronze, the blackish bronze type of deal, you know, that color. I like the new gold. It's like a matte gold. I don't know if y'all saw it in Home Depot, but Home Depot has that new color. And the matte silver is okay, but I had silver for so long, it's like, I don't know, like, you know, just like with the gold hinges and stuff like that. I have gold knobs, but they're like gold, not like real gold, but you know what I mean. So they're like the original shiny gold knobs, so nothing too special about it. But I do like the new matte gold door, water fixtures and all that. Here goes the hardware for the light. I love this design. As y'all know, I like my farm style design. My wife actually liked the farmhouse you know, theme. So we're like the farmhouse theme people. That's just the style I like. And this style kind of gives me that, you know, that farm style kind of deal. Y'all let me know what y'all think though. I still do some stuff. I still do modern and all that, but you know, I just like this feel right here. So yeah, there we go. If we need to install this, of course. Okay, there you go. You got to take these off. All right. And then if you want to put it on, you have to put this on here. And then you have to put this back, because that holds it in. And my hands are a little greasy, but that's what happens when you have matte black, but that can be wiped off. Oh, whew, my arms hurt. All right, you guys, so that's it. There you go. And it looks very nice, you guys. Now, you can do this 2 ways. You can actually install it this way and install it this way with the lights facing up. I'm gonna be honest with you, out of all the vanities I had in all the years I've been homeowning, I never installed the lights this way. I never, ever. But there's no knock to y'all that do that. I just never did. I always shined the light down. So that's just me. Okay, so you got all your wires right there, ready for install. All right, so that will be it, you guys. I am going to go ahead and take the old light down, which is a antique. Right, you guys, I am about to install the vanity light up here. We just finished our cabinets. Actually, we finished it a few days ago, and now we're about to install the light. All right, so these are the easy things that you can do if you want to upgrade your bathroom or renovate, upgrade, renovate, whatever. Let me go ahead and get into this vanity install so y'all can see what the vanity light look like, or the fixture, and that will be it. So enjoy the movie. One last thing, safety is first, you guys. I always preach safety on this channel. Before you work on any electrical work, if you're not comfortable, make sure you call an electrician. Or if you want to do it yourself, make sure you turn off your power at the main source, at your circuit breaker. Turn the power off, you guys. Make sure you turn the power off. All right. Okay. So with that being said, safety first, proper PPE, and that's it. Enjoy the movie. the tools that you will need is your wire cutter and wire stripper. You will need your voltage tester and your outlet tester right here, okay, just to make sure you don't have no current coming through, and a pair of pliers. You want to upgrade from those twist connectors and go into the quick connects right here. Then I will try to remember to drop a link to that as well. You guys, sometimes I just forget to put links of related products. So yeah, these are a little bit old school. So I believe to take this thing off, you have to take all the bulbs off. I know some people, when they do remodel, they want to do demolition and, you know, all that stuff. But remember, you still, well, if you're still utilizing your bathroom. So my kids and whoever is a guest will come in and use this bathroom. So we still utilizing the bathroom. So we don't want debris, dirt and stuff everywhere until we start getting into the tub area. Why is that still alive? Okay, you see? Safety first, you guys. Safety first. We still have current coming in here, and the power is off downstairs. So maybe this has current coming in from somewhere else. It's a safety issue, you guys. First time on the channel. And it's not coming on here, but it's live. Make sure you have a voltage tester, okay? Get this, all right? From Lowe's, but if you're not the type to go to Lowe's, I will put a link in the description. And yeah, all right, you guys, so I think I found out what the issue is. So the builders actually have this connected to the kids' room, as well as they have it connected to the bathroom. So if you switch it off, it still has current. That's why when I say, you'll see some channels where people say you could turn it off at your switch and you can go ahead and start working. No, you make sure you find the source of the electrical current, turn it off, and then start working. Otherwise, you'll be dead. All right, another thing you can get is, I think, rubber gloves or something like that. I don't know if it's going to do anything about saving your life, but I got my regular construction gloves because I feel comfortable with these. And y'all pray for me, okay? All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, oh, well, kids is about to get upset because there's no electricity. All right, we got those. And another thing I need to do is get my drill gun. All right. Woo, that's a big hole to patch right there. They didn't put a box here. Oh, this is gonna be work. Well, you see that, you guys? They didn't even put a box here. So, yeah, there you go. I don't want to hear nothing in the comments about me doing something wrong or anything. Okay? I don't want to hear nothing. I don't want to hear nothing this year about what I have done incorrectly. Because this is professionals right here. This is professionalism. I can see the electricians coming in the comments now. Oh, it's not really required. You should put a box right there. Yes, you should. Look at this. This is a mess. Now we got two big holes to patch up. They just put it on anchors, you guys. Those one anchors that goes inside. Okay. So, what am I going to do? I'm not going to do nothing. I am actually going to add on to the madness. Sometimes you get people that come on the comments and say, oh, something's not in code or something's just wrong. blah, 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 blah. And then come to find out that the builders cut corners somewhere and y'all saying I did something wrong. So yeah, there you go. This is gonna be temporary because I'm not gonna leave it like this, you guys. But right now I don't have I do have a box, but for me to do a configuration and all that, I will have to do extra cutting, construction, and I don't have time for that, okay? I don't have time. So we are gonna put this up nice and organized. This was supposed to take literally like 10 minutes. That's gonna be it. All right, you guys, now we're back on track. That just wasted 30 minutes of our life. So now we got the light fixture. If you never used these clips before, you gotta flip it up. And if you can't see too well, I'll put some reference videos. I'm gonna make a playlist of all my electrical work so y'all can see all the electrical stuff that I've done. Hopefully my channel can motivate somebody or teach somebody. And I'm about to take the gloves off. Most of the time when you got your wires connected, just drop it gently, gentle. Don't just let go. We want to ground this, so what we're gonna do is lift this up some, and I am going to wrap it around the ground right here. All right, that's screwed on. And now I'm gonna put the grounds together. You could have did it however way you want to do it, but this is the way I do it. I am not an electrician, you guys. I repeat, I am not an electrician, but I will do my own electrical work just as fine as a builder who has electrical work linked in with other rooms, and I could be dead right here. So make sure you take your precautions. Consult with your electrician. All right, so now all that is done. Now we gotta find the holes. Now you gotta put the beauty covers on it. It works for now. All right, we're done. Let's go ahead and finalize. Okay, you guys, so now for the moment of truth, we are about to turn the lights on. And it looks very nice. Very, very, very nice. So it's definitely a different look than what it was before. Way better than that old grade, builder's grade light fixture that was up there. I'm not going to leave it like that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the junction box up there or some type of box up there to make it more stable, and that will be it. We got the light up there. We have the painted cabinet down here. So the cabinets are finally painted and they look really good. What I need to figure out now is how I'm going to take this countertop off, okay, without ripping up my cabinet and destroying all the walls. All right, and I will figure that out. But yeah, now I will start figuring out how to get all of this out so I can put the double sink in, and then we'll get into the plumbing, and that will be a big project. Okay, that will definitely be a weekend job. Other than that, that will be it, you guys. And yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.